Welcome back to my YouTube channel, WARS PAK. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the upcoming year, the BMW X7 2026. If you've been following the evolution of BMW's flagship SUV, you'll know the X7 has always set benchmarks when it comes to presence, performance, and premium features. But the 2026 model is here to redefine what we expect from a full-size luxury SUV, bringing a fresh design language, advanced technology, and powerful engine options to the table. This video will cover all the latest updates, features, and news you need to know about the new BMW X7 2026, so make sure you stay tuned and don't miss any details. The exterior design of the 2026 BMW X7 carries forward the bold, confident stance that made the previous models so recognizable. However, BMW has refined the front fascia with a sharper, more aggressive grille, featuring an illuminated kidney design that stands out during both day and night. The sleek split-headlight setup gives the SUV a futuristic edge, while the redesigned bumper and air intakes add to its sporty yet sophisticated personality. The rear profile now boasts slimmer 3D LED taillights connected by a chrome bar, enhancing the SUV's road presence. New alloy wheel designs ranging from 21 to 23 inches, along with updated color options like Frozen Pure Gray and Tanzanite Blue 2, offer customers even more personalization choices. Under the hood, BMW hasn't held back. The 2026 X7 offers multiple powertrain options, starting with a turbocharged inline-six engine producing impressive horsepower and torque figures, paired with mild hybrid technology for better efficiency and smoother acceleration. For those craving more power, the M60i variant features a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering exhilarating performance with the added benefit of 48V mild hybrid support. All variants come with BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a balanced and dynamic driving experience on all kinds of terrain. Inside, the cabin of the BMW X7 2026 continues to raise the standard for luxury SUVs. The updated interior now includes a curved display that seamlessly integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch central infotainment touchscreen. Running the latest BMW iDrive 9 operating system, it offers faster responses, improved graphics, and enhanced customization. The ambient lighting system features new interactive elements, while the panoramic glass sunroof with illuminated patterns adds an extra touch of elegance to night drives. Premium materials such as merino leather, open-pore wood trims, and optional glass controls make the cabin feel truly upscale. For the 2026 model, BMW has also introduced advanced driver assistance systems, including the latest generation of adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and hands-free driving capabilities on selected highways. The parking assistant now offers a remote control option via smartphone, making tight spots less stressful. On the entertainment front, rear seat passengers can enjoy dual 12.3-inch screens with 5G connectivity, enabling streaming and gaming on the move. The Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system ensures studio-quality audio throughout the spacious three-row cabin. Pricing for the new BMW X7 2026 is expected to start slightly higher than the outgoing model, reflecting its enhanced features and technology, with the base variant likely beginning around $84,000 and the high-performance M60i surpassing $110,000. Availability will begin in international markets by late 2025, with bookings already open in select regions. BMW's commitment to combining performance, luxury, and innovation is clearly evident in this updated X7, which continues to lead its segment. Stay connected with WARS PAK for more exclusive updates, comparisons, and in-depth reviews on the latest automotive releases.